Yes, keep the emoji coming, or you type a yes. Any of the two is good. Yeah, good afternoon. Olabi praise. Adiza, David, Ifyoku Nama, Momodu Gbolahun, King J. Good to see everyone. EBS is here. Emmanuel Agbo. Good afternoon, everyone. All right, so I think I have your attention now. So let's get started. So today is the 1st of November 2024, and we're having the NFP live analysis and also live trading. Now we're starting early, 1:15, so that we can have some time to analyze the market. Then exactly 1:30, we'll take the trade. All right, so let's start. So we can see on the screen here, Forex Factory page, and right on the screen, please, if you're here just joining us, make sure you mute your device so that you don't cause any distraction. Okay, so there are three events we're looking at this afternoon. We're looking at the average hourly earnings, the non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. Three of them happening simultaneously. Now, I also want us to know that this NFP is very, very crucial and very, very sensitive because it's the last NFP before the change of an era of government in the United States. So it's one that can even, it has, there could be political, inclination towards this, if the data comes out good from what I've read, commentaries I've seen online, if the data comes out good for the dollar, it's going to add, some hedge to Kamala Harris's chances of winning the election. And if it comes out bad for the dollar, it could even be a good one for Donald Trump. So you can say that this is a very, very sensitive one, which can affect even the election that is upcoming in some days in the United States. So some spikes may be expected, some volatility may be expected, but whichever way comes, we are very much prepared, to handle it. So three events we're looking up to in the next few minutes, just about 12 minutes from now. The average hourly earnings, the on non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. Now, let's not waste too much time. If all the data comes out good for the dollar, then we'll be looking at a massive bullish movement, on the dollar. In that case, if we have a green scenario, that would be a perfect one to experience a massive bullish movement on the dollar. And if on the other hand, we have the news coming out bad, all of them bad for the dollar, then we will be expecting a massive bearish outlook. Now, these are the two best scenarios you can get fundamentally. Though it's possible some of the data may not come out as expected. If that is the case, if you have like some green, some red, that is what may lead to a spike. Now, we don't have any information ahead of that now, but then that is a possibility also in the scheme of things. But now I'll flip over now to my chart so that we can look at the technicals and what we are analyzing, as a brand, what we are thinking the outcome of this news will be. So just follow me right now as I go over to my screen, to my MetaTrader 4. Now, on the MetaTrader screen, I'll go straight to my dollar index. Now, this is the dollar index, and looking at the dollar index on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that, we are actually at a critical position. You can see there is a trend line that is descending right from the weekly time frame. That's a downtrend. And also, that same trend line we can see reflected on the daily. And simultaneously, we can see this resistance zone. Now, this is a very, very powerful confluence technically, which could lead the market into a bearish direction from all technical angles. A descending trend line on the weekly, a resistance on the daily. Technically, that could push the price more in the bearish direction. Now we understand the fact that fundamentals can actually overrule technicals. That is very, very possible, but we're telling you what we're seeing technically. And also from a technical angle, recently the RSI on the daily time frame actually went as high as 70, completely overbought on the daily time frame, which could also suggest a possible bearish inclination, for this event. And finally, on the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour, you can see that, we're seeing a pattern forming here, which looks a lot like a formation of a head and shoulder pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So all this is giving us a vibe that possibly we could have a bearish outlook, for this news in the next few minutes as we anticipate the release of the data. So we're taking a bearish position on the dollar ahead of this news. But however, if the news comes out, the other way, we have it all handled with the instruments we're going to be trading, for this news event. So that takes me now, I'll go over now to the other instruments we're looking at. So we're going to look at selling the dollar. We're going to be looking at selling the USD JPY and possibly be buying the Euro USD. And that's what we're thinking this afternoon. This the lines I've drawn to indicate the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss level. We anticipate a possible decline, in this instrument. So if we have the dollar selling, the USD selling, then that could lead to a bullish movement on the Euro USD. But what if this news comes out, not in line with our expectation? Like I said, we got it covered. If the news goes bullish on the USD JPY, well, we might be having a bearish move, on the Euro USD in that instance. So let's just go over now and I'll flip and see what we can do on that. 152. All right, so I'll show you now my slide so you can take down the entry price, the take profit, and the stop loss. All right, so you can see it on the screen right now. We have exactly 6 minutes to go before the news is released. So we're doing a sell stop on USD JPY, a sell stop at 152.540, take profit at 151.97, and stop loss at 152.94. I'll tell that again. We're doing a sell stop order on USD JPY at 152.540, a take profit at 151.97, and a stop loss at 152.94. And we're doing a buy stop on Euro USD at 1.08851, a take profit at 1.09119, and a stop loss at 1.08524. Again, we're doing a buy stop order on Euro USD at 1.08851, a take profit at 1.09119, and a stop loss at 1.08524. So you have some minutes to do all this, post it. I'll post it right in the comment section right now. So you can also pick it up from there. Now, we also want to sound a word of caution. Please trade with a lot of caution. Don't take unnecessary risk. Trade with caution. So that's the data out there. We're 4 minutes from the news, from the release of the news. We're 4 minutes from the release of the news. We need to be very fast with this. Three minutes to go. It's now 1:27 p.m. I want to give another. Please adjust the entry of a USD JPY to 1.52554. If you can still do that, let me see. Okay, okay, don't worry. Just leave it at 540. It's still okay. Very much okay. All right, we have just a minute to go. I'm flipping back to my MetaTrader. We have just a minute to go. Just use the data I've given earlier, which you can see on the screen. That's a 152.540 is still very valid. All right, we're just about 30 seconds to go. Twenty seconds to go. Make sure you have your stop loss in place. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Entry. When profit. When profit. When profit on USD, JPY. Yeah. Very close. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. If you got that, please start posting your results right now. Go to your WhatsApp group, start posting. Take profit hit on USD JPY. USD is triggered also. It's going bullish. It's yet to hit profit, but it's already triggered. You can see Euro USD price is retracing back to the entry, but USD JPY TP it. That's about 55 pips. For Euro USD, start moving your stop loss, start moving up so that it doesn't turn to a losing trade because it's just it's trying to break that entry price again. If you don't want to bother, I say just as well close it. But if you want to still hold it, then just shift your stop loss. Shift your stop loss to break even. That is very close. Some pips to the entry. But we already made profit on the USD JPY. That's a very good one. If you made profit, let me see your fire emoji in the comment section. Everybody is quiet, or you are posting on your WhatsApp group. Yes, Okere Precious is posting. You made some profit. That's a good on Zoom. Okere Precious. I'm profitable on both trades. That's very good on Clement. Idowu Otekaya, I can see your fire. Post your result also. Go to your WhatsApp, take a screenshot of the profit and post it on your WhatsApp group. Your PU Prime WhatsApp group, post it there right now. Okay, Precious, $2.36. It's good money with the current exchange rate. Where are the big profits? The 500, the 800, the 1,000, where are they? Euro USD is still trying to make its way up. It's a bit slow, unlike the USD JPY. It's a bit slow. My student made 12. I believe you meant $12. $12 is good money. That is well over 17,000 naira thereabout. That's still good money. That's by Pastor Samuel. Yes, Euro USD is going up. It's finally making its way up. Made $24.03. That's good word, okay, precious. Like I said, just take a screenshot and go and post on your WhatsApp group. I've closed the trade. That's good. Wow, Zoom user $42. That's a good one. So please drop a screenshot on the group so people can believe what we're doing here. You know, you're getting massive value at PU Prime. So just go ahead to your groups, post the screenshot so that people know this is real. You know, you have the best at PU Prime anytime, any day. Best in education, best in trading, best in analysis, best in every area. PU Prime is the #1 broker. Euro USD is still dragging itself up. It's up by around 11 pips. Yeah, so Agbo Power. Yes, $31. That's a good one. Imagine making money first day of the month. That means this month is already a good one. Fine, fantastic. Somebody just posted a screenshot now of what he has. And this person made $360. That's serious. Thanks for that update. Mr. Lasisi, that's a good one. You know this works. $2.97 or 0.01 lot. It's still good. What matters is that you made profit. Okay, let's still keep watching our Euro USD. So at this point, I will encourage you, Euro USD, move the stop loss to break even. That's the entry price at 1.08851. Move your stop loss there now. So if anything happens at all, you're not going to have a loss. It will just close, price may just close at entry. If at all it reverses, you've been able to eliminate every risk. So go ahead now, move the stop loss of your Euro USD from 1.08524, just modify it to 1.08851. USD JPY is just the star of the day. You can see it's still dropping. See the sharp candle. I said we saw a head and shoulder on the 15 minutes, pointing us in the bearish direction, just like what we saw on the 4 hour and even the bigger time frames. So don't miss our analysis sessions. Don't miss it. Every day, Monday to Friday. No broker does that. Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. We analyze the market. Even the analysis we had this morning on the CHF CPI early in the morning gave a bearish outlook on the CHF. If you check the CHF JPY, it went exactly in line. I remember putting the entry and the take profit. It went exactly like that. For those who joined the morning analysis session, they can confirm that. So all these things we give a lot of value right here, and you can't afford to miss an opportunity to keep making money with PU Prime. So please send the screenshot of your profit of your trade on the WhatsApp group you belong to. Just go ahead and do that now. Mr. Lasisi, do that. Who else? This person is Zoom user, made $42. Well, wherever you have, please go ahead, go to your WhatsApp group and post it there. Okere Precious, you made $24.03 on Euro, posted Euro USD. Just go ahead and post it. Take a screenshot of that trade or your MetaTrader and post it in your WhatsApp group. Then Pastor Samuel, your student made $12. Please tell that person to take a screenshot of that trade and post on the WhatsApp group. Also, Okere Precious and every other person. Euro USD is still moving up, though very slowly, but it's still moving up. All right, somebody has posted just now. Mark just made $46. $46. That's a good one. Please go ahead, Mark, and post on your WhatsApp group. We're still watching the Euro USD. So go ahead and post to your WhatsApp group. Let people know that we're doing it right at PU Prime. All right, let's go back to the screen again. All right, Euro USD is still pushing its way up. We'll still keep waiting. Let's see how this ends. It's still running. I mean, what a way to start a new month. To start making money with PU Prime. For those that joined the analysis session this morning, we spoke about that this month of November should be a month of profit. And barely some hours after, we start seeing the profit rolling in. Yes, Emmanuel Agbo, now I can say happy new month. That's a good one. Yes, so it's a happy new month. Just an hour after midday, and we started recording the dollars coming in. Okay, can we still keep waiting for this Euro USD? All right, so if you're on the platform, let's just tell you a little about PU Prime. We're a global brand with head office in Australia, and we have 2 offices in Nigeria, Abuja and Lagos. Abuja office is the head office for the Nigerian arm of PU Prime, and Lagos is the regional office. And at this brand, I mean, these 2 locations, we run physical training twice in a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you happen to live around Abuja and its environment or Lagos and its environment, then you can join us for live physical training sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays every week. And on Tuesdays, we have the beginners class for those who are completely new to Forex trading. I want to get a foundational knowledge of this business. And on Thursday classes, we hold the intermediate, then we graduate from intermediate to advanced classes for Forex trading. So in these classes, we break down everything you need to know about Forex trading. We teach you how to generate signals by yourself, not just you running after signals, but being able to generate it by yourself. By the time you get to our academy and you run through the session, you will be a professional trader. I'm telling you, trust me. And this is part of what we do, in these analysis sessions and even during our training sessions. We show our students how to trade and how to be profitable from both the technical and the fundamental standpoint. So if you are yet to attend our academy, then this is the best time. End the year 2024 on a better note by being equipped with the knowledge of how to trade the financial market only at the PU Prime Trading Academy. So we hope to see you from next Tuesday, both at the Abuja and the Lagos offices. And also every day, Monday to Friday, we have analysis session, 7 a.m. in the morning and 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon, where we analyze the market and show you what to expect in morning session and the afternoon session. That's the London session and the New York session. During this period, we show you, what trades to take. If there are signals, we drop the signals. If there are evolving, trade setup, we show you everything and we prepare you for how to trade, those sessions and become very profitable. Can one join for now, we don't have live virtual sessions, but as in for the Tuesday and Thursday, but on Mondays and Wednesdays, we do have online classes, which you can join also. You can join our online classes. Always make sure the WhatsApp group you belong to, make sure you are active. You are constantly checking the WhatsApp group because everything we're doing, we drop the link. For the analysis session, is always on Zoom. We drop the link. For the online training classes, we'll also drop the Zoom link. So make sure you are active and join those sessions, through the WhatsApp group by clicking on the link to the Zoom session. Zoom user is actually my first time, and I believe you have a good experience with PU Prime today being your first time. I think I can see that you're one of those that posted profit. You made profit about $42. Exactly, I can see it here. You made a $42 profit just joining us for the first time. How much more if you become a part of the house? There's a lot more, you can benefit with PU Prime. All right. I think we should be rounding up. Euro USD is still trying to drag itself up. Like I said, if you locked in your stop loss to entry, that's to break even, you're fine. You may just leave Euro USD to continue floating till maybe eventually it eats profit. Or if you feel you're good enough, you want to close the trade, you can still go ahead and do that. That's at your personal discretion. It's already about 15 pips in profit. 15 pips in profit on 0.1 lot is $15. On 0.01 is $1.05. So if you've made some profit already on the USD that can be a bonus, profit for you if you feel you can't wait for price to hit the profit target. So let's leave the Euro USD keep floating. And if you want to close, you're at liberty to do that. We're already in profit on both trades. The analysis worked. I said that we're bearish on the dollar from the technical standpoint, and you can see that the market went, the outcome of the result of the NFP went exactly in line with our analysis. All right, I can see another very good one. Somebody here made a massive $75 profit. That is massive. That is over 100,000 naira when you convert that to naira. That's a lot of profit from this person. That's a lot one. And so please just go ahead and post the screenshot on your WhatsApp group. Now let me read this testimonial by EBS. I should even be the one advertising PU Prime. They are the best. And I'm sorry for traders who don't know about our broker. You can say the word our broker, personalizing us, and that's just the truth. If you're here, you are still on the fence. I'm sorry for you. Peeps is just passing you by. Stop being on the fence. Be a part of the house. Open a live account if you don't have one. Fund the account. Start trading live, and I tell you, are going to make profit with PO Prime because we guide our clients. You can see now we just had a session. We didn't just leave you by yourself. We guided you. We analyze the reason why we believe that is the direction the market is going from the technical standpoint. And also, we give you the entry price, the take profit, and the stop loss, and the news went exactly as planned. So it tells you that we have a lot of experience doing this. I'm telling you, we are quite experienced at doing this. So you can follow our lead, to experience financial freedom, through Forex trading with PU Prime. All right, Elizabeth, thanks. In small profits due to uh, account size and small lot size. Thank you very much. But what I'm happy about is that you made profit. No matter how little, it has given you confidence that what we do here works. So what I would encourage you to do, Elizabeth, is that the next session we're having CPI session, probably next week or the upper week, will intimate you about it. Make sure you have a well-funded account. Now you have tested it and you can see that this works. So the next session we're having, which is CPI, and now this is for everybody, make sure you have a better funded account. So if your account has $100, $200, $300 now, look at nothing less than like 100, 200, 300% of that amount, because the bigger the capital you have, the bigger money, the bigger profit you will make. So make sure you have a better account. For those that traded cents, I mean, you traded 0.01 lots this time around, be looking at trading 0.1 or higher in the next such session by funding the required account capital. Please, important, very, very, very important. Don't just say, oh, I want to trade 0.1 lot and you're trading it on a $100 account. That can be very risky. Fund the required amount of capital, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. Then trade with the right lot size and make the money big. Don't forget, Christmas is around the corner. This is the best time to make money from the Forex market. So go ahead, start funding your account now as we begin to plan towards the next CPI, which is coming up very, very soon. And we're going to be having another live session that same day, just like today. I'll be making a lot of profit from the market. All right, I think we need to end this session now. It's already more than 20 minutes past the normal time. Euro USD is still running. You can leave it to run till it hits profit, or you can close it. Whichever way you want to take it, it's at your discretion. So thanks for joining this session. You've made a lot of profit, and we hope to see you again some other time. Bye-bye from our end for now.